In this video, we will show how to program a universal sensor after cloning the ID of the original sensor. With Jaltest TPMS, we will clone the information from the sensor of a Mercedes, and we will program it in a universal sensor of the BHSense brand. First of all, we switch on the Jaltest TPMS tool, and we select the Program Sensor menu. We select the manufacturer of the sensor to be programmed. Next, we choose the type, brand, model, and year of the vehicle where the sensor will be installed. Then, we select the sensor model, Universal, and the option Copy ID. We bring the original sensor closer to Jaltest TPMS to read its ID. Once the copying is complete, we bring the universal sensor closer to the tool's antenna. The process ends when Jaltest TPMS confirms that the programming has been successfully completed. And now we already have a new sensor with the same ID as the one we replaced.